Hello penguins, hope you all are doing good and missing us as much as we are missing you. To keep you engaged through your holidays, we are sending across this activity bag. So let us open the bag and see what is in there. The first activity is the color match mat. In this, we are going to place the different color macaroni pieces as per their color on this mat. So like I first picked the orange one, so I'm going to place it on the orange circle. Next is the blue one. Now I'm going to place this on the blue circle. And similarly, we are going to place all these different colored macaroni pieces as per their circles. Seems exciting, no? The next activity is follow the shapes. So there's this another small bag in there which has a marker. We are going to use the marker and trace these different shapes and make sure that we join all these dotted lines and make the shapes properly. Like the first shape I did was the circle. The second one, similarly, make sure that you hold the marker properly and join the dots and make the shape properly and perfectly. Similarly, you're supposed to finish all these shapes and complete the mat. You can reuse the mat by cleaning this with a tissue paper or a duster, and you can again do this activity at home. The next activity is that of a wall clock. We're going to do the lacing activity on this one. So we're going to take out the lace and make sure that we put the lace properly through these tiny circles like this. Similarly, we are going to put this lace through all the circles, and finally when we reach the end point, we're going to make a small loop over here. Mamas can help you with this, and then you can put it in your room and change this as per the time. Like if it's 9 o'clock, you can just go like this and change the time. Yeah. So the next activity we have is that of a Play-Doh mat. Here is the Play-Doh. So this reads, can you make some Play-Doh plants growing in the pots? So the dough that we are sending across is that of two colors, which is red and green. So you can make a beautiful, you can roll it, you can squeeze it, you can use it any way you want to. And then you can make this beautiful, vibrant, colorful red flower using this. Mamas can also make some different color dough for you at home, and you can make beautiful flowers like these. Then let us see what is up there. Yes, so the next activity is give me hair. So what are we supposed to do in this? We are going to first place different color paint with us on the table. Then we are going to make sure that it's not at all thick. It has to be very, very watery. Then we're going to put it like this all over the sheet. The bag also has this straw, and we're going to use the straw to give this little boy his hair. So we're going to use the straw like this and blow air through it. This way, we're going to ensure that we give him some hair. And last activity that we have is that of a sunflower. So what you're supposed to do in this is that first we're going to use yellow paint to paint this paper plate. We're going to paint it all over and make sure that it's painted really well. So this way you're going to paint the entire paper plate with yellow paint. Make sure that you paint it really well so that there's no white portion left. Then we're going to leave this for drying. This bag also carries this ice cream stick, and you're going to paint this with green color. Then we can place this brown circle in the center, and then we're supposed to attach this green ice cream stick over here. The bag also has a green leaf in it, and we're supposed to fix this on the green stem. So once everything is done, our sunflower will look something like this. Mamas can arrange some seeds for our kids, and they can use it over here, and they can fix them on this brown circle. So these are all the activities that is there in this activity bag. We hope that you all enjoy doing these activities. Mamas can share the feedback with us through videos and pictures on Educa. And we hope that you all enjoy doing all these activities, and we see you all super soon.